How to open Halifax account online. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're going to learn how we can open up our Halifax account online, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you want to open up your Halifax account online, it's actually quite very simple to do so. You can simply go to halifax.co.uk. Now if you're talking about online banking, then you can tap on this sign in option here, and if you already have online banking you can log in. But if you want to create a new online account, which is online banking account, now for online banking you must already have a bank account, right? So over here you can just tap on register for internet banking option, and then you'll be able to register for your internet banking by simply entering your card details, your savings account, and all of those types over here, right? Once you've done that, let's say if you're talking about creating a new bank account from Halifax website, then tap on I don't have an account yet, then check the accounts we offer option. Then it will show you all of the bank accounts that are available here. Then you can simply go ahead and then tap on the current account or any of the option that you want to apply, and then fill in the form to apply for them. This way you can go ahead and then basically open up Halifax account online. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.